Hello everyone, tonight I have a disturbing story that delves into the unsettling actions of an individual who violated the privacy of countless unsuspecting men. This is the case of Chleo Sunter, a 37-year-old woman from Middlesbrough, North Yorkshire, who secretly recorded hundreds of men using public restrooms, including those in an Aldi supermarket, a shopping center, and a railway station. Between January and November 2023, Sunter embarked on a covert operation, capturing 790 photographs and 15 videos of men in compromising situations. These recordings were made without the victim's knowledge or consent, as they used toilet cubicles and stood at urinals in various public facilities. Sunter's criminal activities were not her first encounter with the law. In 2012, under the name John Leslie Graham, she was convicted of sexual assault. 2 years later, in 2014, she faced charges for possessing extreme pornographic images. These prior offenses led to the imposition of a Sexual Harm Prevention Order, SHPO, designed to restrict her activities and prevent further criminal behavior. The discovery of Sunter's latest offenses occurred during a routine compliance check by her assigned sex offender manager. This officer was responsible for ensuring that Sunter adhered to the conditions set forth in her SHPO. During the inspection, authorities uncovered the extensive collection of illicit images and videos, revealing the depth of her voyeuristic activities. The evidence presented in court painted a clear picture of Sunter's disregard for the privacy and dignity of her victims. Prosecutor Paul Newcomb detailed how some men were recorded while standing at urinals, while others were filmed from beneath the partitions of toilet cubicles. This invasive behavior constituted a gross violation of personal privacy and trust. In addition to the voyeuristic recordings, the investigation uncovered further breaches of Sunter's SHPO. She had been using a smartphone in incognito mode and had reset it to factory settings, actions explicitly prohibited under the terms of her order. Moreover, authorities discovered 695 deleted chats, 712 photos, and 4 videos from the gay dating app, Grindr, indicating a pattern of behavior that flouted the restrictions imposed upon her. During the court proceedings at Teesside Crown Court, Sunter pleaded guilty to 2 counts of voyeurism and 6 breaches of her Sexual Harm Prevention Order. Her defense counsel, John Nixon, acknowledged her history of alcohol abuse and the challenges she faced while incarcerated. He noted that Sunter had already spent 8 months in prison on remand and had lost access to her accommodation, potentially facing homelessness upon release. Despite these mitigating factors, Judge Jeffrey Marson emphasized the severity of Sunter's actions. He acknowledged her mental health difficulties, but stated that they had little or no effect on the nature of the offenses committed. Consequently, Sunter was sentenced to 26 months in prison for her crimes. This case has sparked broader discussions about how the criminal justice system records and addresses issues related to gender identity. The government's current stance allows criminals to self-declare their gender, a policy that has faced criticism and calls for reform. Critics argue that recording biological sex, rather than self-identified gender, would provide more accurate data for legal and statistical purposes. The story of Chleo Sunter serves as a stark reminder of the importance of vigilance in protecting personal privacy. It also highlights the challenges faced by the criminal justice system in adapting to complex issues surrounding gender identity and criminal behavior. As we reflect on this case, we are reminded of the need for continued efforts to safeguard individuals' rights and maintain the integrity of protective legal measures. Thank you for joining me tonight. Stay safe, and remember, not everything is as it seems.